So today, I watched Mel Robbins' interview with Mark Brackett, and this completely changed how I think about emotions. So okay, a little bit background of Mark Brackett. He is a psychologist who studies emotions and emotional intelligence. And I really love his story. So okay, one thing he said really stayed with me because in this episode he explained that emotions don't just affect how we feel. They also influence our attention, memory, learning, judgment, relationships, and even our mental health and physical health. And that made me realize something. Maybe we don't always make bad life or business decisions because we lack knowledge. And sometimes we're making decisions from overwhelmed emotional state. So, as someone who's rebuilding her life, and that completely changed my perspective, and I realized better mindset is not enough. We also need better emotional awareness. And yes, always remember this. Our emotion influence the decision we make. So, the better you understand your emotions, better your life and business decisions become. Okay?